Hey everybody, this is Peter and welcome to the show today. Today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of some of the Stanley Tucci Cookware. It's made by Green Pan, and also you pick it up at Williams-Sonoma or on Green Pan. However, I have been cooking with some of the other Stanley Tucci Cookware for a while. It's fantastic. I bought some new pieces that I want to show you, so maybe you would have an interest in this Stanley Tucci Cookware as well. I really enjoy it. Let me show it to you. Let's get this unboxing going. Okay, my friends, let's get this unboxing going. I've been using some of the Stanley Tucci Cookware. This is actually the piece that I purchased about a year or so ago, and this piece is really fantastic. I love it. This is a stainless steel with the black handles. They have all kinds of different colors. They have like a Malfi sunset, Tuscan green or Tuscan olive, something like that. I picked out the stainless steel in the best last year, and but I wanted some other colors in my kitchen, so I bought some other pieces, and I'll show you those in the unboxing. But it comes with a glass lid like you're seeing here, and this is a ceramic inside. It has a laser, or I think they use the same laser or something like that as far as putting the finish on here, which makes it really strong. I use this almost every day, and I'm telling you that it cleans up beautifully. I don't use metal utensils, although they say you can. I don't do that. I just use ones that are made out of silicone. So they work really well. But I've been super happy with this one. These are expensive. I'm the first one to tell you they are pricey. It's some of the most expensive cookware that I've ever purchased in my life. But they do handle very well, and I'm very happy with them. So let me set this one back over on the stove. I think this is called the 6.5 quart Stanley pan, and it's big. It is big, and so these down here are also the Stanley pan, but these are smaller. They're a 4.5 quart. So I'll show you the comparison of the sizes here in a little while. I'll set this aside. We'll come back and get to this unboxing. Be right back. Okay, let's get this going and see this beautiful Stanley Tucci cookware. So this is the lid that comes with the cookware. Let me get that out and show it to you. I think first of all we're doing the green one, which is called, I believe, Tuscan Olive. So there's the lid of that one. Beautiful. Also, you might be able to see, don't know, but it has like Tucci right here on the lid. Can you see that? Yeah, looks really good. I'll set this aside. I think these companies spend a lot more money on packaging than they should, but hey, when you're spending this much money on cookware, they should make it look special. Just a couple of things in here, some information about the cookware itself. So, a very beautiful color on this one. It's called a Tuscan Olive. So it's a beautiful set. These are, by the way, these are induction ready, because I cook on induction cookers a lot. And that's one of the things that I absolutely require whenever I'm buying cookware, is that it has to be induction compatible. This one is. It also has a 5mm thick wall. And you can't see this here, but it actually has this piece here, it kind of rolls over. So that kind of prevents it from chipping, is what I've read. And also there's some beautiful handles on this as well. So that's part of the Tucci collection. They all have his name right there, and also right here as well. I'll flip this over and maybe you can see it. There we go, just like that. So you can see the Tucci name on there. I love Stanley Tucci as an actor. He's a very good actor on over 100 movies. And you know, The Devil Wears Prada 2 just came out, and he has a wonderful show. It's on Nat Geo, I believe now, about his travels in Italy and cooking in Italy. It's really a fantastic show. Used to be on CNN. CNN canceled it. Disney picked it up, and I believe it's on National Geographic, I believe. It certainly is on the Disney Plus network, and there's been a couple of different seasons. So let me get this one set up and off to the side. Beautiful. I've been waiting to open this for quite a while, so I've been holding off on that. So let me get this one set aside and we'll open up the other one. And to be honest with you, the other one is the color that I really wanted on this one. But I just wanted more color in my kitchen. So here we go. This is the first one. This next one is actually called Amalfi Sunset. Beautiful burnt orange is one of my favorite colors. You can see right here that I have it on my watch already. And I have it here on my phone, on my iPhone. It's kind of an orange color. And I love it. I absolutely love the kind of they call it a burnt sienna color. This one's called Amalfi Sunset. I've actually spent quite a few days on the Amalfi Coast in Italy, and I will tell you the sunsets there out of Sorrento and the town of Amalfi are incredibly beautiful. So this one is called Amalfi Sunset, and this is the one that I was really looking forward to getting because I just love that orange color. So here we go. Here's a lid on that one. You can see what a beautiful orange color it is. It looks fantastic. Love it. Absolutely love it. It goes nice with my watch, right? Just kidding. And here we have the beautiful new pan. They also come with this piece here that helps buffer the pans when they're sitting on top of each other. The other one has one of those in the box too. I just forgot to show it to you. So here's that beautiful Amalfi Sunset. Love it. Looks fantastic. Again, we have the Tucci name right there on the end. It has a very, very nice handle. The pans are heavy. So if you're looking for something lightweight, this is not it, but they conduct heat super well and they clean up like a dream. The one I have over here, the big stainless steel one, incredible. I use it almost every day. And it has a helper handle over here. So I'm going to bring the other one over so you can see the difference in between this one, which is called the Stanley Pan Junior, I think is what they call it, and the other one, which is the original Stanley Pan, which is the one that I bought originally about a year ago. So let me get the big one over here and we'll take a look and see the difference in sizes. If you watch the videos on YouTube about the Stanley pans, Stanley Tucci pans, there's several of them on there. They do talk about how the pans were created, and they went into Tucci's home and they looked at his furniture and frankly the way that he dresses, and they started putting together designs from that. So you can see kind of the differences here on the overhead camera. And here you have the new one, which is over here, smaller, 4.5 quart, and over here you have the bigger one, which is the 6.5 quart. So there's only 2 of us in my household normally, so I think the smaller one will work great for us. And although I've been using the big one here for about a year's time, and no issue with that. These are heavy, but I'm going to pick them up and show you the differences from that angle. So you can see there. And again, they're pretty heavy, so I'm going to set them down. I'm just looking forward to having these pans, and I wanted to show them to you as well. I've been super happy with them. I'm not affiliated with Green Pan. I'm not affiliated with Tucci. And so anyway, I hope you'll just take a look at those and see if you have an interest. You can pick up different ones at Williams-Sonoma and also at greenpan.com. They tend to have some different prices and some different styles on both websites. So you may want to take a look on both websites if you have an interest and find the ones that are more interesting for you. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. It's been kind of fun for me. I've had them sitting here waiting to do this video for 2 or 3 weeks. I'm glad we finally got to it and got these out of the way and showing you. And I hope you like the pans. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up on the video. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. It really helps me out. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care.